are back in Bali. Today we are gonna tell you about that how is Bali in the future. Is Bali sustainable? Well, basically that based on the article and the research that I read so far is that in every single year the rice paddies, the rice fields in Bali is getting decreasing and decreasing in each year. As you see behind me, like this area, especially in Seseh area, it's just about 10-15 minutes from the Canggu. Canggu, Pererenan, Seseh, Cemagi, and Nyanyi Tabanan. So in this area, especially in Seseh, as we see that used to be the green zone area, but look, one by one, the rice paddies here are turning into the concrete jungle. So today, we will show you how is the development in the Seseh area. As you see on the left, on the right side, now in every single corner, the rice paddies turning into villas, into a restaurant, into a coffee shop. So yeah, I'll show you around.
So guys, as you can see, Winnie was right. Everywhere there's the construction of something. This is like Cemagi Street actually. Later you're gonna see the Seseh, which is even more developed than this one, which is like a parallel street actually. Overall the Seseh area. And while watching all of this and remembering these parts of Bali so far very well, because well, I used to hang out here back into 6-7 years ago when it was only the rice fields and the little road going to the beach. You only can see, and my point is, as probably people who coming to Bali right now, there are only people who likes to drive shitty bikes like this one, who probably also looking to build some another villa here, which taking the beautiful rice fields, which is like one of the church of the rice fields in Bali is officially already gone. Not many people coming here for the proper tourist things, like going to Nusa Dua and lay down on the beach in the 5-star resorts for 2 weeks and go back. Well, there are still some people coming, but mostly regarding the development. People trying to build something here. So like here, nothing was here literally not so long ago, not even 5 years ago, like just was nothing here. Here you go, there was just the access to the beach. Now it's everything everywhere around. like this one even was not here 2 weeks ago when I was here, to be honest. This is like ridiculous. Technically there was a piece of empty land actually. So as you can see, there's at the front beach, and well, that's the Bali nowadays, and it's probably gonna be even more next year in 2024.
Alright, so as you see on the left, on the right side, there are so many brand new villas. Here, I'll show you around, just like in the front of us. So in this Seseh area, so many brand new villas. And on the right, look at this. Wow. I think it's gonna be a 5-resort hotel here as a gone viral.
This is actually the land to this villa, to this resort.
Yes, and on the left side, you see there is a spa even here. This is just like another small village with the steroid. You see, homestay, restaurant, and here with the temple, Balinese temple.
Well, actually here was the center of the old village. I mean, the village is still here. There was like a Banjar center, as you can see, the temple and everything. But after that, there's a lot of villas and even restaurants and everything. Also, normally you could go straight and there will be already the Seseh beach, but the bridge was destroyed during the floods or something, and they're rebuilding the bridge. So we cannot get there. We have to go around to show you what is on the other side of the bridge.
Alright, so as you see, honey, on the left side, wow, there are so many brand new villas with a modern style building.
Wow.
Wow.
Right.
You see?
You know what is the funny thing about this one, all of this, is they building the villas with the rice field view, right? But next few months, next year, next 2 years, depends how lucky you are, those rice fields will disappear, and instead of having a beautiful view of the rice field from your living room or bedroom, you will have just the view of the wall next to you. Like this one, for example. There will be one day you're gonna wake up and the wall like this will be next to you instead of your view. So that's also pretty sucks in my opinion, but that's how does it look like here. But of course the choice is yours, whatever you do.
Look, even here 27 years leasehold here, honey.
Right. Yeah, because of course everything here is for lease. You cannot own anything here anyways. So all of those people who are building something here, putting the money there just like leasing it. As simple as that.
Oh, look at this. You see? 27 years leasehold. Wow. Look at this building. Every single corner. All the rice paddies just turning into the concrete jungle.
So that's the entrance to the Sesak beach, and there is a lot of construction. As you can see, actually there are some villas, and that's how they destroying the rice fields, putting the rubbish actually on the side of the road technically, and then actually here there is the reconstruction of the bridge here. Probably also maybe the trucks destroy the bridge, I'm not sure, or maybe they're making stronger for the trucks because the construction must go. And basically everywhere, I mean, what I'm gonna tell you, as you can see by your own eyes through my lens of my camera, what's going on here, everywhere, you know, on this side, on the other side of the road, like, I mean, you know, it's like everywhere construction. So technically right now, Bali is becoming the island of the thousands of villas. So sort of thing like this one. Thousands of hotels, villas and restaurants. But that's the Bali nowadays, especially after pandemic. That's like the biggest boom of this is technically after the pandemic. Just not sure why, but after pandemic, for some reason, the construction just came all the time, everywhere. People deciding to put money here into the leasehold developments. And it's like this one. So either you want or not, you cannot avoid this one. Wherever you're gonna go, you will see stuff like this one, basically. So there were only rice fields here actually before pandemic and earlier, like back to 2018. If you came here, like there, over there, actually, like a kind of half glampings, homestays, some cafes here, bungalows, actually.
You see, unbelievable. Everything is changing here on the left, on the right side. As you see that the land here, the rice paddies is slowly gone. Right?
Actually, we are happy as we're making these videos because whenever somebody gonna watch this video, let's say in 2029 or 2030, like 6-7 years from now, I can warrant you, if nothing gonna change on the way, this street is gonna be like any other another street in Kuta or in Legian or in Seminyak or even in Canggu, full of development, and nothing regarding the rice fields. Even Jungle Paddle is here coming soon. This company also opening here, and they're taking so much big piece of land actually everywhere. So yeah, just remember my words. If you come here in next few years, there will be no rice fields at all. But it was only rice fields not so long ago. Like this one, everything is fresh. I'm passing this road every time. Each time is something fresh here. So basically, this is it.
So basically, all the brand new building here is just like growing like a mushroom, right, honey?
Yeah.
You see on the right side here, they even built a small road here to connect to the Pererenan. Oh, there will be another Pererenan shortcut. And look, another restaurant gonna be open soon.
Actually, sushi place. That's good. Yeah, but this is it in general.
Unbelievable. You see, look at the left side here. The leasehold for yearly, for few years. Oh, for rent. Wow.
Which one? This
Here.
one? Oh yeah. Oh, this one at least you can rent for yearly. Okay.
Wow, you see, and look at the road here. If people asking that how is the infrastructure basically, small road only fit for one car and surrounded by the rice paddies, and the rice paddies will be gone soon. And even here for rent, fully furnished villas. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, everywhere basically.
Unbelievable. On the left, on the right side, it's really sad basically. Even if there is a brand new restaurant here. Wow. You see, all the rice paddies are turning into the really housing complex or the concrete jungle.
Right. So this is it actually. Like after longer consideration, that's how's the Bali going into direction. Like you're watching us since the beginning, so many of you remember as it wasn't nothing like this before pandemic and even during the pandemic. But recently, like basically everywhere you can go is construction. Starting from Sanur up to Tabanan is just the construction. The only sad thing is, just, let's say, like a Kuta or Legian, they just leave it abandoned. Like, okay, it's old, ugly, so we just leave it and keep doing, taking more and more land. So if everything gonna go like this one, probably in next 20-30 years, the construction line will gonna reach Gilimanuk in West Bali, and then Bali is gone. There will be no more land and no more rice fields on the west coast. Only north and east coast gonna stay, but there is like, seems like the interest is only on the west coast. So 20 years Gilimanuk is becoming the another something, and that's it. And then people have to go to Java Island, I think so. But I don't know where the rice will coming from, import from, well, probably from Java as well, because that's the biggest producer actually of the rice. But either way, this is it. Not me to judge anybody and anything. I just showing you how it is. As always, that's our specialty. Yes, Sayang? We're always showing to the people how it is. But also, this video, if you're gonna watch in next few years, 5 years, 10 years, that will be the great memory of Bali, how it used to look like actually.
And also keep in mind that the Bali prices is skyrocketing time by time.
Actually, yesterday we were in Jakarta. Somehow I'm feeling as Jakarta is cheaper right now than Bali. Seriously, like, at least some of the things. Okay, see you tomorrow. See ya. Even here where I have my lovely great pizza and Winnie is coming, there are some shops for rent. You can have a view like this one. Never ending construction anywhere. Never ending. But the pizza is good. That's the good stuff.